Come here.
Where is it?
They're gonna give you your birthday gift. All right. Mora and Leanna gave him a little man his birthday present.
Rip it open.
Rip it, rip it.
Here, rip it.
Lily, come on, fake, Lily. No.
Rip it. Rip it. Oh.
No, Lily, let him rip it.
Lily, watch out. Let him open it.
Lily,
it's... Thank you for your help. Okay.
Lily.
Rip it.
Rip it.
Yeah, rip it.
Oh, what is it? Lily. Whoa.
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
You do this side.
Mommy.
Alright. Oh, it's a radio flyer.
No.
It's a radio flyer tricycle. Alright. Little man, do you like it? You like it, little man? Hey, hey, hello?
Oh. There. Okay. Rip it. No, not that part. Here, look right here.
Oh.
Strong man.
Alright. Give them kisses. Give them Mora and
Yeah,
Leanna
come here.
kisses. Tell them thank
Hey,
you.
Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. He thought I gotta buy it.
Give them kisses. Give them kisses.
Hey, give me a kiss.
He's like, forget you. I'm pointing at this.
He thought I'm gonna kiss the box.
Thank you. He's saying thank you.
Thank
in future
you.
years.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Video.